You see, this is the old lakes over here. The big flood, yeah, over here. Man, yeah, crazy shit.
Mad flood, mad flood.
Mad flood. As you can see, there's no one approaching really.
No, not really.
No one.
Mad flood, mad flood.
Oh, look, there's a bit of a flood. Yep.
Mad flood.
It's crazy. Yeah, we're just waiting for the dogs to turn up, really.
Yeah.
We can put some Intense Xtreme music
from Share Factory, of course.
Yes.
Love the Share Factory.
It's like proper zoom interviews faces as well.
Oh, the default Share Factory music, I love it.
Right, yeah, there's still no dogs anywhere. Yeah. Oh, look at that water.
Mad floods.
Crazy. Look at that. Wow. Yep. No dogs anywhere. Still no dogs. I don't see anything up ahead. Oh. Whatever that is down there. I don't see anything up ahead, so I'm just going to pause this. No. Yeah.
I won't. Don't climb them. Remember, if you climb it, you will die. Your photos are clumsy.
Still no, as you can see, a nice housing estate over there.
Anyway.
Yeah. Well, yeah, actually, that is it.
Chucky hasn't sorted anything out.
We're going to go around this corner round.
Mate, Chucky always drifted it round.
No, somewhere over there, there's a big puddle, and
big one.
well, it looks like the depth of the water has kind of gone down a bit.
Yeah.
But...
I think it's still flooded a bit there.
Yeah.
Exclamation mark.
As you can see, there's a big puddle over there. Oh God. You see the water is actually coming from somewhere over there, and it's going into that side, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Pause it, dude. Pause it.
Oh, what's going on?
Go. Oh, brilliant. Oh. Ooh. Stunning.
Oh my days! Oh, that is so cool! Oh!
You walking back. That's cemented in the ground.
Oh man, that was king freezing.
Is that film?
It already is.
No, it's not.
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, get in shot, lad.
In shot?
Let me see your feet.
No. Yeah. I actually blame Tractor King for this.
Yeah, Chucky caused the flood.
Him in that motor vehicle that he was cycling speeding through it. Yeah, to blame that. Oh man.
Oh.
Hang on, let me get back in shot again. Just after I... Am I in shot?
Yeah, it's quite close, but oh well.
Yeah, that can do. Hopefully we can record someone from afar, also trying to get across there too.
Yeah. He like camping through.
Yeah, it is.
Just so I watch other people do it.
Oh, that was cold, that was cold. You chaps should know that, you know. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Fucking hell. The tripod, yeah. There it is. Oh, my feet are cold. Look at my feet right there. My feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Mine are clean.
Yeah, his feet, yeah. Oh, we can't really see them. Yeah.
Perfect. No.
Oh. You can see them. As you can see, the old torrential flood over there. It's not focusing. Fucking focus. Rons. Why focus, you bell end? Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Flood. Yep.
Bag or whatever's.
Ooh, who left this here? God.
That's just poos on sticks.
No, yeah, it's probably at Stanley Lakes.
Oh, I've got one there, well.
By the way, there's a dog walk around. There's a dog
I
walk
like
around.
smash.
Yeah, I already am. Oh.
Sit down.
It's right.
On the camera. Oh no. The angles are shocking.
As you can see, I'm really testing out the settings right
This
now.
will get billions of views. I think that's just a walker. I don't think they have a dog. That's just someone walking here.
Oh, he's got a sign. He's got a danger sign.
Let's go up and read it. Oh, Tracky. Tracky. Let's go up to that. See what it sounds like. Come on. Look at the water there. It's almost up to it. Jesus, that's hella high. Tracky, what sign is it? Whoa, Tracky's fucking...
Authorised personnel only.
Just say we're going to the co-op.
Give a shit, will they? I remember crossing this bridge.
Yeah. I think he saw us and he's just put that there for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't go that way.
Love. I love you, sir. Film it.
Over it. As you can see, we're approaching this fire bridge right here. Now
It did actually set fire not too long ago.
It did actually set fire not too long ago. As you can see, the water comes from here and it
the
goes
water
down.
has definitely risen or rocks or... Oh,
Yeah, you can see there's some rocks here. We're about to get someone cross it. Oh, the water goes somewhere under here. Wouldn't it be funny if it fell in?
yeah.
Yeah, that's the kind of comment you'd come out with. As you can see. Oh, look at that fire view from under the bridge. Yeah.
That's an alien disease.
More puddles.
More puddles.
Oh my gosh, could you guys believe this?
Can you believe?
Look, the water, yeah, it's almost...
Look, we'll throw a stick, see how deep it is. Pretty damn deep. Yeah. See?
As you see,
There's a duck as well. That's cool.
yeah.
There's a bird.
Look at that pheasant over there.
There's one of them running around college the other day. There's a pheasant on campus. I've seen it twice now. It just walks around me and Dave, but
You ain't even wearing a watch, and you know. As you can see, we've re-entered the, you know, that's nature over there, and now look, there's non-nature over here, houses. You know where it is.
Yeah, looks like that.
There's a bin, yeah.
Yeah,
As you can see, over there is William Jones's house.
Second one in.
Oh, there's a car coming. Oh, that's not a car, that's a fucking... There's William. Let me zoom in. A good old crop over there. Second one in, you say?
Wow, yeah. There's a car. Hello. It's like the wrong person sort of you film. They would gap at you.
Matt, go on.
Like you.
Matt, go on.
That's how it is around it. Lots of people. James Randall Close. His house looks like some maddie, like flying extension of it. So remember, summer booties are built in winter. The camera's
Oh my god, it's so here. Here. And the old church is actually getting no closer to us.
Crouch Road in there.
There it is. Look at that view. Imagine living here.
Yeah, lots of water.
As you can see, we've actually approached Crouch Road Church, still not getting any closer to us. We've been walking for fucking weeks. I feel like these housing estates are just spawning in every time.
It's so much quicker on a bike, you don't think about it really. I like one bike instead of bike in like half a minute, you know, I'll fly through it. This bit, I'm always trying to slow down.
Yeah, that's the idea. That's the, you know, the old... Just slow down and, you know, think before you...
Don't worry, you don't have to pull your hoodie down over your house, no one's going to get you here.
Well,
This is a safe space.
if you turn around right now, there's probably like 500 red dots on the map speeding after us. No, we've crossed territory.
Just spawning in.
You can see the church is actually getting closer. Oh, look at these sheds over there.
Oh, man.
I know. I wonder if we'll see any dogs coming around this corner over here.
No, that's scary.
The screen's currently a bit of a mess. As you can see, we're actually getting closer to the co-op now.
Show the church so we're really close to it.
We're actually really close to the church now.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, when's he going to make another Discord? Every time. What one should I do?
Wow.
Look, dude, we have to actually get a lid, which is the most surprising part. Imagine if I can't pack.
I'll take it away.
I knew you'd say that. This is almost like a real one of them, you know, and then I'll put the cup in. Whoa. Whoa, is that a straw?
Oh, get me one.
Oh, that's just a stirring stick. Look at that milk.
So much. It's only half filled the cup. There you go, Karen.
Enjoy.
It's only half filled. Did you put the right cup bit in?
Probably not.
It's only filled half the cup. Can I have your bit back, Ron?
Okay, we need to take the